The 19th century was full of many changes in our territory, from the independence movement to the new governments, passing through various outbreaks. One of the most popular characters in those days was the controversial president Buenaventura Báez. Let's meet him now.
Buenaventura Báez was born in the community of Cabral, Barahona on July 14, 1812. His mother was a freed slave and his father was a rich merchant from Azua. During the Asian occupation, Buenaventura Báez served as the legislator of Azua, and in 1844 he had a role in the revolution against Haiti. Báez was president of the Dominican Republic for the first time from 1849 to 1853. During this time, he attempted to convince the United States to take over the country. He became president again in 1856 but was removed in 1857 in a coup.
Buenaventura Báez was president in our country for 5 times, a position in which he has some achievements, such as the founder of the first secondary school in the country, Colegios en Buenaventura. In 1861, he opposed the annexation to Spain because it was his political enemy, Pedro Santana, who was promoting it. The government of the 6th year of Buenaventura Báez was a period of the government that was characterized by being dictatorial, political assassination, and irregularities in the administration of public funds were his stamps. On December 8, 1872, he signed an agreement to cede Samana Bay to an American company for 99 years.
When he supported the idea of the Dominican Republic to be taken over by Spain, he was exiled to European country. The Spanish government agreed to occupy the Dominican Republic in 1861, but with the victory of the Dominicans during the Restoration, the Spanish force withdrew for the island in 1865. Báez returned to the Dominican Republic and was president again until 1866 when he was deposed in another coup. His longest term as president was from 1874. His last term as president was from 1876 to 1878. He was removed in a coup and exiled to Puerto Rico, where he lived his last day until his death on March 14, 1884.